I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller and choosing a connection method. This sets expectations for latency and button mapping. Once done, plug a USB-C cable into the controller for wired play or enable Bluetooth on the PC and put the controller into pairing mode. Press the pairing combo shown on screen. Make sure you have Steam running if you plan to use Steam input. This simplifies mapping. Otherwise, install the manufacturer's driver so Windows recognizes the device and exposes the controller to Call of Duty. Once connected, verify the OS registers the controller. Look for it in devices and printers or Windows game controllers. Next, open Steam Big Picture or the Call of Duty in-game settings to enable controller support. This ensures correct input recognition and vibration settings. If buttons feel swapped, use Steam Input or the manufacturer's configuration tool to remap buttons and adjust dead zones. These steps reduce stick drift and improve aiming precision. Make sure polling rate and vibration are enabled. They affect responsiveness and immersion. You finish by launching Call of Duty, selecting the controller preset, and adjusting sensitivity until aiming feels consistent. These tweaks matter in fast firefights. Once done, validate all controls in a private match. Check triggers, bumpers, stick dead zones, and vibration. If something fails, repair the device, update firmware, or swap the USB cable or port. These quick fixes resolve most connection and recognition problems. Remember, using the official adapter often beats Bluetooth for lower latency. Try that if input lag persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.